안녕하세요. Today I'm going on an adventure to South Korea. But why South Korea? Well, despite its small size, Korea has a massive influence. Think K-pop, K-drama, K-beauty, it's everywhere. I've got my first 2 nights booked in Hongdae, but after that, I'm just gonna see where my adventure takes me and immerse myself in the culture. So I'm gonna pack and get ready for 3 weeks of eating Korean cuisine, immersing myself in the culture, and maybe even busting some K-pop moves, all whilst trying to get around with the little Korean I've been learning. So buckle up and come along with me. First stop, Seoul. So we've just landed in Seoul. The plan is just to see what the vibe is at the hostel. I mean, I've just been sleeping on the plane or trying to sleep on the plane for most of the time, so then might as well go on a night out. Just got to Hongdae, I'm just trying to find my way to the hostel. Google Maps isn't really working that well for me. It just says I can't get to where I need to go walking. I don't know why. I might need to use the Korean version of maps, which is Naver Maps. I need to try that out on my phone. I do not know where I'm going. Honestly, like, I'm actually so excited. A bit humid, but like, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I think it's just on the left here. Here we go. Check it. Yes, I am an adult. Leave my shoes here. Hope they don't get stolen. Hey. Hello.
I really like your shirt. It's
oh, thank you. I like yours. Yours is like similar style as well.
Just €2 from GU.
Oh, €2
yeah,
here?
Yeah. The Germans trying to save money.
You have to take me there. You have to take me there.
I think for tonight we have a very cool group.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I think I'm in the right crowd.
Yeah, for sure. How old are you?
24.
Oh, close. 23.
Oh, even younger.
25.
Almost.
It's okay
I'm
for
good
you.
for anything.
13 minutes walk.
Okay.
Okay, so let's try it.
I know you can like do a live stream on it, but I don't.
really?
Yeah, I haven't like figured out how like it works.
It's like, like...
We're going the wrong way. All right, we're off to get some food before we go out, get some soju. We went to a restaurant. I do not remember what this dish was called, but it was absolutely delicious. Chopsticks were also really difficult to use. The cheese was super stringy though. We had a few shots of unflavoured soju, which, to be honest, I thought was absolutely horrible. After that, we headed down the street, ended up at this arcade, spent some money.
The most disgusting drink ever.
Seriously?
Sorry.
Really? Is it that bad? I was with the group of other foreigners from the hostel and they decided to go to this Latin club. I was like, to be honest, I'm not in South Korea to go for Latin music. I'm here for K-pop or K-hip-hop. I was in the line and I met these 2 Chinese guys who began talking, ended up getting a table, had a great time just chatting to them throughout the night and going to a few different clubs, talking to people. It's 6 a.m. here. Honestly, well, Hongdae at least feels like a completely different level to London in terms of the clubbing scene. Night out in Seoul, Hongdae, 100% recommend. I will be doing a few more of these. Honestly, I had a great time like dancing on the stage and platform. Just knowing a few phrases and be able to speak to people made this first night actually really, really good. I spoke with more people that don't speak English than I thought I would. Might need to get some sleep now. This is the towel I'm having to use here. This is my first official day in South Korea. I just got myself a money card to get around. We're gonna go to Gyeongbukong Palace. Okay, we just missed the bus somewhere in the distance. I met Jessie at the hostel. We had similar plans, so we just hung out for the day. We got to Gyeongbukong Palace, but if you get a hanbok, then you actually get free entry. It's these dresses that the women are wearing. Do the guys wear dresses as well?
They wear those things.
They're like funny hat.
Oh, do you want to be a warrior noble or do you want to be a king or prince?
We're just looking around to try and find something. Oh, that's only 10,000.
This one looks reasonable, yeah, for 2 hours.
Does it come with a sword though? Anyone see one?
Do you have reservation?
No.
It's okay, I will introduce you.
Oh, you do get a sword.
Here today is 20,000 for 2 hours, and this car is 30,000.
Okay, we'll go
The
for
dragon
this one.
on the
We'll go
back?
for this one. 네.
오케이. 이게 안내 옷이에요. 이거 먼저 입어야 돼요. 그 다음에 이거예요.
Okay.
이대로만 가시면.
Oh my god.
I feel like I can't figure out how to like actually put this on. I'm like
I think she'll help you, don't worry.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, finish.
Do you have a sword?
Oh my god.
Oh, 감사합니다. After getting my sword, it was off to the palace. It was really beautiful to walk around, but it was 30 degrees and I was absolutely sweltering in this hanbok. So we got some cold food. Afterwards, we went to Bukchon Hanok village. It's a residential neighborhood in Seoul with over 900 traditional Korean houses. Afterwards, we went to Myeongdong. This is like shopping center, I'm pretty sure. I needed to exchange my cash for Korean won so I could top up my T Money card for transport. We walked past some of the food stalls they had on the main street.
You have to buy one!
We did not buy anything from that store, and afterwards we checked out a few shops in Seoul. Then we went for some Korean dumpling soup before ending up at a lens store. I was looking for some contact lens solution. I just ended up buying these different colored lenses, but the guy had this picture of these like eyeballs and he was like putting these lenses on top. To be honest, I thought it was pretty cool, like how they were like showing the differences. The next morning I met Johnny. He was staying at the hostel I was staying at, and we spontaneously decided to record a podcast together. That was staying in Hongdae. Guys,
Don't worry. We're hanging out with mics.
This guy, he has a YouTube channel with like 250, 350k subscribers.
Yeah. You could find us. We legit.
I just tried to check in at my new place and I didn't realize it was 7 p.m. check-in and it's like 4 p.m. now. I was tired and really wanted to sleep. Yonsei University was close by. I took a little wander around there. I want to show you something. So basically here, people feel so safe like leaving their stuff that they would just leave it unattended on a bench. They've been gone maybe like, what, half an hour? Finally, I got my fat 3-hour nap. We're getting ready, going to the Tango place, and then going for some drinks that we were really struggling to buy. Tip, bring at least like 3 different cards. They still might all fail.
Should work. Yeah, none of them worked. So it's been my birthday, and I just want to say that it's been super nice. I saw a random dude from UK dancing K-pop music, and it inspired me to be a better person.
You can learn very quickly if you know the music.
You know, I was so happy that you came in, which is like, yo, can I sit with you guys? Like, I was so happy you did that. I was like,
Oh really?
yeah. You literally sat down with like good friends of mine. Oh yeah, one of them came to me like during the break. She's like, I have a present for you.
Oh yeah, I heard you say.
I'm like, what? I have a friend for you. And I was like, oh my god. And I started laughing. I was very happy. Oh, you made my night.
Oh, we're here now. Okay. Sweet. Hey!
Alright, we're going to the gym.
Now someone is on the stepper already.
Isn't very much resistance. Oh,
It's just your body weight.
use your body weight. Okay,
Oh my gosh, what the... It was a super chill night telling stories to each other.
Everything was on sale. It was a big line. And I came to the counter. It's time to pay. Yeah. Just pull out my credit card. But my credit card got stuck. I kept pulling the card and it wouldn't come out. And finally, I pulled very hard and the flew out. Beep! Like on the ground. Everybody saw.
The next morning, I went to the convenience store to get breakfast, and actually, I was going to go for lunch with a guy I met there last night. We were sat next to each other in the convenience store with 3 protein shakes each, and that's how we began talking. What is this?
This is Korean rice alcohol.
Pour as much as you... Your arm is like hurting from tennis?
In Korea, meet your friend. You can give him like this, older than you, or your boss. You have to give the alcohol like this.
I see.
Delicious, right?
It's really different to anything in the UK. I tried this dish called muk, which is like a salad, but then they add sesame oil, soy sauce to make it taste good. And this was Korean style pizza, but to me it felt a lot more like hash browns or some sort of omelette. It was good, but not amazing. Now we're headed to 1 Million Dance Studio. Famous studio. Oh, he has dragged me along for a Afrobeats class.
A master Afro.
We paid for a couple of dance classes, which were around 28,000 won each.
Afro class?
And the first class we did, they were actually filming the choreo, and I made it just in the back.
You're going to vlog?
Yeah, we're gonna vlog. We've just come back from 1 million.
Yay!
So we did 2 classes back to back.
What's your first impression?
The first one, I was very happy with myself for keeping up. The second one, I was so out of my comfort zone. I did not know what was going on. We went from like having 30 people in a class to like, it felt like 100.
Yeah.
Honest.
Well, you did 2 masterclass.
But I'm not a master.
But now you are.
I don't know.
I have like a lot of friends that are here, dancers also, and they told me like 1 million is basically the most famous studio, but it's pretty hard to attempt the classes because there are so many people and also a lot of foreigners. There is also other studios that are more like with local people, you know, like only Korean.
Yeah.
And it's less crowded, and for that it's good to go at least one time because it's 1 million.
Oh yeah. So Just Jerk is like the local one you go to.
Yeah, Just Jerk is a good, very good studio, not very crowded, good teachers also, and I love it. You already tried that?
Oh, not yet.
It's amazing. Good, no?
I'll try not to. My gosh. I give up.
No, you messed it up. No,
I will eat that one later. My sleep is all over the place. I swear, like over the last 3 nights, I think I've had max 10 hours. I actually don't know how I'm functioning, how I have the energy. I'm slightly worried I won't be doing like all the other like sightseeing things I want to do, like visit Seoul Tower, go to Gangnam. I will end up doing these things. Okay guys, random rant incoming. I do not know what I am saying. It kind of makes sense, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm glad I managed to go to the dance classes today, but the day before. It felt very unproductive from a holiday sense, but to be honest, a great time just chatting to the people at the hostel. Sometimes that is actually just the best thing, in my opinion, is just when you just relax. Don't worry about what you're doing with the day. You're solo traveling, you make your plans on your own terms. So if you feel like doing nothing suddenly, then you can do nothing. The only other thing I need to plan is the DMZ. I do feel like I should do that. It's not that high on my priority list. Anyway, gonna go out dancing to K-pop. Ciao. I met this guy during the night. He suggested we grab some bone soup at one of his favorite restaurants, so we did that in the morning. It was really delicious, actually. When I got up, I went to do laundry. I'd been putting this off for a while. It was a bit difficult to work everything out, but thankfully Translate was really useful. Yesterday, I had an experience where I actually got rejected from entering a club because I was a foreigner. I was like asking like the bouncer, I'm like, oh, what if I could speak fluent Korean? Would you still let me in? And he's like, sorry, I don't know, just boss's rules. Okay, so this is my friend June. We met in England, in London, clubbing. Yeah, sure. So he's gonna take me out now in Hongdae.
From London?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
Oh, no.
I just heard the accent. I was like,
come into my vlog, mate. Come into my vlog,
hello.
mate. What's your name?
Dan.
Dan. Yeah. You're from London as well?
I am.
How long are you here for?
Tonight and tomorrow. You're from England. You're just here for 3 days. I am, yeah.
Will you come along with us?
I've literally got nothing to do, but I do have to be home in like less than an hour.
Okay.
Wait, how do I do? There you go.
Do whatever you want. How do you do it?
Yeah.
All right. We're going out clubbing now. I am out with Guillaume this morning. Hello. And we're about to get some food. And then we're gonna go to a rock climbing gym.
Been back there.
Bulgogi. I guess tteokbokki. Kimchi. Fish. I don't even know.
Bean sprouts. Probably some miso soup. Where's Johnny at? Come on, Johnny. I had no idea, but apparently climbing is really popular in Korea. Everyone is filming themselves.
I can take both. Yeah.
Hey.
We're ready.
We monkeyed around for a bit. Let's go, Johnny. Oh. Fuck. No.
You felt like Batman from the ceiling.
So if I double tap. So if you walk here.
오!
Yeah. You're in my vlog now.
이게 뭐예요?
DJI Osmo Pocket 3. You climb a lot? Manny? 2 years. Oh, do neon. Inyon. I get native and Sino-Korean numbers confused. Like Il, I, Sam, and Han, Du, yeah. Then later we began talking to some of the students who were bouldering, and Johnny suggested, why don't we all go out for food after?
Spicy, okay?
Yes.
조금. 조금.
Let's go Korean spicy.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Korean style.
몰라. 이거 핸드크림 코리안 스타일이래.
Cheese?
Oh no, that's cake.
Oh, rice cake. She has the technique nailed.
I don't. She's gonna cut it. She doesn't like it. She doesn't like. She's severing like a lot of. She's like, you're gonna hurt yourself. Oh, there's so many. We're so slow. Oh, we would have still been here. Stupid French. Look, the French, they don't know how to cut rice cake. They don't know how to cut pasta. Later tonight, she's gonna tell him. You know what he did? He was cutting one at a time. What are your names?
So they ordered for us. The food was really good. And actually when we went in, they asked, oh, is it all right to split the bill? And we were like, yeah, that's completely normal for us. But then at the end, they actually just paid for everything, which was really generous of them. Like, we were touched, guys. We were touched. I was determined to make it Seoul Tower. So I went with a friend I met the day before and we decided to climb late at night. You can see it over here, just in the back. There were so many steps and it was just so humid. The view from here is absolutely amazing. Honestly, this hardly does it justice. We have to do this like hike all the way up to the tower. I think it's about 1.6 kilometers or a mile. We're almost there now. Cheers. I don't know if you can go up, but I don't think we need to go up because we have the really good view from here. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.